Ever wonder how yoga could be the answer to common health issues? Well, today, we're going to unravel the power of yoga therapy and how it can help you lead a healthier life. First, let's understand what yoga therapy is. It's a type of therapy that uses yoga postures, breathing exercises, meditation, and guided imagery to improve mental and physical health. The holistic focus of yoga therapy encourages the integration of mind, body, and spirit. Now, let's dive into some yoga therapy techniques that you can incorporate into your daily routine. First up, we have pranayama, or breathing exercises. These techniques can improve lung function, reduce stress, and improve mental clarity. Here's how to do it. Sit comfortably with your back straight. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, hold it for a few seconds, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this for a few minutes every day. Next, we have asanas, or yoga postures. These postures can help improve flexibility, strength, and balance. For example, the tree pose helps improve balance and strengthens the legs. To do this, stand straight and then shift your weight onto one leg. Bend your other knee and place the sole of your foot on the inner thigh of your standing leg. Raise your arms above your head and hold the pose for a few breaths. Then we have meditation. This technique can help reduce stress and anxiety, promoting overall well-being. To practice meditation, find a quiet and comfortable place. Sit straight and close your eyes. Focus on your breath and try to clear your mind of any thoughts. Do this for a few minutes every day. Finally, we have guided imagery. This technique involves visualizing peaceful and positive images to promote relaxation. To do this, find a quiet place, close your eyes, and imagine a peaceful scene such as a beach or a forest. Imagine all the details, the sounds, the smells, the temperature. This can help reduce stress and promote relaxation. Now, let's summarize the key points about yoga therapy. It's a holistic approach that integrates mind, body, and spirit. It involves techniques like pranayama, asanas, meditation, and guided imagery. These techniques can help improve physical health, reduce stress, and promote overall well-being. Remember, yoga therapy is not just about physical health, but about achieving a balance between mind, body, and spirit. So why not give it a try and see how it can help you lead a healthier and more balanced life?